Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix this application requires iOS 14.0 or later. So if you have iPhone 6 or 7 or below variant devices, so how you can fix that. For example, if you try to download the Instagram from the App Store, you will find this kind of error. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the App Store, and after that the next thing you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go back and go to main settings, and here you can simply find your Apple ID here. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and until you find the option of general. In general, you can find the option of software update, and here you can simply check whether you have latest iOS variant or not, which means you have to make sure that you have the iOS 14 or higher, so that you can use Instagram on your device, because Instagram has recently removed their version from the iOS 14 and lower devices. So if your iPhone doesn't support iPhone 14 or higher versions of iOS, then it will be very difficult for you to use the Instagram. So if you want to use the Instagram, so how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari here, and after that you have to simply open a new tab, and you can simply search for Instagram here. And after searching for Instagram, you can simply use the Instagram on Safari without any problem. So you do not have to panic about the iOS variant and you have to download the application. You can simply use your Instagram on Safari without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.